So actually, India being part of now the global operating committee of Dentsu is really a testament to the fact that India is really an important market for Dentsu as it rolls out its network across the world. And I think India sitting at the global level is a recognition of the fact that there is an enormous potential and Dentsu's enormous interest on the Indian market and how it wants to invest in India is really demonstrated there. For me personally, it's fantastic because it's an exposure, and I'm getting an opportunity to work with colleagues from many countries across the world, Latin America, Russia, the BRIC countries where we're seeing a lot of development, and that's where the next big thing is going to happen. So I'm really excited about the opportunity, and I'm looking forward to this. Actually, the three challenges that I faced at Dentsu were basically to look at the quality of the work, and I think that was the single thing that I actually went after, because to me the most important thing at the end of it, and the reason why clients come to advertising agencies, is for one thing, and that's quality of work that can build their brands and build their market share. So the first thing I actually focused on was the work. So I got people on board who could actually help me deliver that quality of work that I really wanted. So that was the first thing that I actually did, because to me your quality of work will really build your reputation in the market, and that will in turn build your business. So most important fundamental core is really the quality of the work. The second big thing was to look at the entire thing of systems, processes within the organization, and how we could actually create efficiencies, fundamentally in operating, and bring in some of the systems and processes that Dentsu Network has into India, so that we seamlessly integrate with the agency globally. So that was number two, and number three was really focus on talent and really look at the best talent that we could find to actually bring into the agency, so that we could actually build the agency of the future. We have our entire key leadership team in place, and we are raring to go in the Indian market. So we are looking at all opportunities, and we are saying now is the time for us to take Dentsu to its next level of growth in India. A lot of it is going to be building Dentsu's expertise in the FMCG area, because currently we are experts in automotive and electronics. So looking at FMCG, and FMCG is something that I've worked for most of my career so I'm actually looking at and targeting FMCG clients, which could actually help us create a more well-rounded portfolio for Dentsu in India. The telecom is a sector that we're looking at, because that's where a lot of the growth and the exciting opportunity is. So we'd be happy to partner with any telecom major in India. I've set only one big growth area for us is really a growth area which is defined by quality of the work. To me, that is the most important thing, and that's what I want my team to focus on. The revenue will come, but the most important thing is really to look at the next big idea that we can create, which can be a great win for us in the market, for our clients and for our brands. Digital is concerned, to me that is one of the core strengths of Dentsu, and as we look at bringing the full power of Dentsu Inc. into India, digital is the key area that we're looking at, and to me it's not about offline, online. To me it's a through the line approach in terms of communication, and Dentsu is an integrated agency. We don't have walls dividing the digital and media and the creative agency, or the activation agency. It's all one whole, and they all actually work together as a seamless team. To me, that is fundamentally the agency model of the future, and it was actually the agency model of the past, and I think it is more relevant today than it was ever before. And I think that's the way that we are looking at integrating digital capability, skill into the heart of the agency. It's not really a standalone service, because today consumers are not really looking at things in compartments. They are, it is a seamless, borderless world for them. The big thing that I would like to tell young people who are entering the industry is that fundamentally, advertising is a great career opportunity, because you get so much of diversity, so many different challenges, so many different clients to work on, and client problems to solve. I think it's an exciting. Every day is a new day. Every day is a new challenge, and every day you have something exciting to do, and to wake up. So the important thing is, what I really feel is that if you're passionate about creative, doing great work, creating great work for brands which impact the market, then come to advertising. Otherwise, I think it's better you choose to join a bank.